So good morning once again, boys. In this session, I will explain you new chapter number 3, Gopal and the Hilsa Face. So let me introduce some basic thing about this chapter. This chapter is all about intelligence and sense of humor. This chapter is actually given in a comic way to you. Do you love comics? Do you love comic books? Yes. Comics, what is the main essence of comics books? A sense of humor. The way when you will read, the time when you read comics, you will enjoy it. You will some kind of entertainment while reading the dialogues, while reading the statements of the character. Same thing in this chapter also. The famous character, the main character or the protagonist, there is one word that is called protagonist. Let me write that word on board. Protagonist. It means the main character. Protagonist means to be the main character. So who is main character in this story? Gopal. Gopal is the central and main character of the story. So what is all about Gopal? He is one of the courtiers in the town, and the king always used to ask him for any sort of problem, any sort of issue, just like Birbal. Birbal was very famous. You know that who Birbal was? Akbar's great, intelligent, one of the courtiers in Akbar's kingdom. So we can think it as one of the courtiers in a kingdom. There is one kingdom. There is one kingdom, and Gopal was one of the favorite courtiers in that kingdom. So one day, what happened? In this story, actually, people or the villagers, we can say town, the people, those who are living in one town, there is one town, and that people was crazy. They were crazy about eating something. It was a special season to eat or to enjoy a special kind of fish that is called Hilsa fish. A special kind of fish, Hilsa fish, a species which is generally which commonly consumed. So, king in his kingdom, where everyone, a small children to elderly people, a fisherman to a common man, everyone is talking about this Hilsa fish. They are very much fascinated about this Hilsa fish. They want to eat Hilsa fish. So it was actually a season of Hilsa fish. It was actually a season of Hilsa fish. Now, if we talk about India, what season is going on nowadays? Now we are entering in rainy season. At the moment, we are enjoying summer season also. What is so special about summer season? Yes, there are so many special things are available in summer season. If you talk about in the matter of fruits, mango. Mango is considered is the king of all fruits, and people love it also. So though as mango is very popular in summer season, same thing, it was a season of Hilsa fish. It was a season of Hilsa fish, and people are madly, lovingly, they had lovingly talking about Hilsa fish. Public, they were enjoying, they were talking. Means in every small matter, in every daily conversation, in every daily course, they are talking about, they are including this matter of Hilsa fish in every topic, every minute. So what is the effect of that? If they are talking, let them talk. Then what is the problem here? The problem is nothing actually. The king of that kingdom, the king of that town is really fed up by listening this so much of talk about this hill surface. Even in his own kingdom, so many courtiers, along with Gopal, the main protagonist, main character, protagonist, he himself is talking about this hill surface. Even in the kingdom, one courtier himself informed to the king, King, listen, do you know that this is the season of hill surface and people are talking about hill surface? They are talking about to Egypt. So there is a lot of noise everywhere. There is a lot of confusion everywhere. The king is fed up by listening hill surface and about this and that. So he has given a proclamation. He announced and he reminded Gopal. Could anybody accept the challenge? And what is the challenge? Challenge is that could anybody accept the challenge? Is there any person available in my town so he can bring the hill surface to my palace without letting the common people know? Means king simply wanted to misplace the topic of praising of hill surface, or people are crazily they are talking about hill surface. The king simply wanted to stop this nonsense of praising hill surface. Now, so the main character or the protagonist, Gopal, he is ready and he appeared in front of the king and he is ready and he said, I am ready to accept your challenge, Majesty. Your Majesty, I am ready to accept your challenge. So, king is very convinced and he said, okay, so let's read the cartoon, the topic of your... So here is the chapter, Gopal and the hill surface. It was the season for hill surface. Fisherman could think of nothing but hill surface. Fishmongers sold nothing but hill surface. Come, buy. The price of hilsa is down today. Householders could talk of nothing but hill surface. How much did you pay for that? You won't believe it if I told you. And in the palace too, the courtiers could discuss nothing but hill surface. Your Majesty, you should have seen the huge hilsa I caught it was. Stop it! Are you courtier or a fisherman? The courtier fell silent with downcast eyes. The king felt guilty. I'm sorry, I lost my temper. It is the season for hill surface, and no one, not even Gopal, can stop anyone from talking about hill surface. Not even for 5 minutes. Oh, I think I could, Your Majesty. Then let me see you buy a huge hilsa and bring it to the palace without anyone asking you a word about it. I accept the challenge, Your Majesty. King was tired of listening to this and he said that no one could stop talking people about the hill surface. To this, Gopal accepted the challenge and he said that I could do this. And after that, king challenged him that bring hill surface to the palace without talking anyone or without asking anyone about the hill surface. And you know that now it is going to be very interesting that how Gopal accepted it and won the challenge also. So let's seek it more and find out more about what had happened next. A few days later, why is your face half shaven? I am dressing up to buy fish. What's the matter with you? Why are you smearing yourself with ash? I told you I am dressing up to buy a hilsa fish. Listen to me. Please, you can't possibly go out in those disgraceful drags. What are you up to? How many times must I tell you, woman? I am out to buy a huge hill surface. It's happened to him, he has gone mad. Gopal bought the hill surface and started walking towards the palace. Mother, look at that man. Isn't he comical? He must be a madman. Hush, I think he is a mystic. When Gopal reached the court, what do you want? I want to see the king. You can't see the king? Get away with you. Gopal began to dance and sing loudly. Inside the palace, the man is crazy. Throw him out at once. I want to see the king. Let me in. Bring the man to me at once. Yes, yes, your majesty. Gopal was brought before the king. It's Gopal. The man has lost his mind. I think it's one of his crazy jokes. All right, Gopal, out with it. Why are you dressed up in this ridiculous fashion? Your Majesty, you seem to have forgotten something. Forgotten something? Strangely enough, no one seems to be interested in hill surface today. From the market to the palace and in the court, not a soul has spoken a word about hill surface. Only then did the king remember the challenge he had thrown to Gopal. Ha ha ha! Well, Gopal, congratulations. You have achieved the impossible once again. Gopal is ready to win the challenge. But how would he do that? What are the things which he has managed? So we see Gopal is ready to accept the challenge now. Now what he did, he half shaven his face, number one, half shaven his face, half side clean shave and another side full of beard. He half shaven his face, put on torn clothes. He wear torn clothes and went to the fish market, purchased this tasty hill surface and smeared some ash on it. Smeared some ash means to be rock. Rock अपनी body के ऊपर या अपने face के ऊपर लगाता है. He was just looking like a amusing creature, a funny creature. He was just like a madman, a very strange man. So he was ready, he purchased the hill surface and ready to go towards the palace. The moment when he go to the palace, when he was waiting outside the palace, the guards of the king immediately stopped him and they asked, who are you? Before that, the moment when Gopal was from whole along the way which he was covering up, from the way which he was coming out, people are very curious to know who is this man. They're talking so many different things about Gopal. They were laughing at him. They were looking towards his face. They were looking towards him surprisingly. So all the way they were looking to Gopal only. And now Gopal is waiting outside the gate of the kingdom. Immediately the guards stopped him and they were not letting him to go inside the palace. Now what Gopal will do? Anyhow, Gopal has to meet the king because he has to prove himself, because he has to prove his intelligence, and this is a matter of great respect and honor also. So what? Everyone looking towards the Gopal, and Gopal just wanted to get inside. So you just imagine what he will do. After that, he don't have any choice, so immediately he started dancing and singing. He started dancing and singing outside the kingdom gate. By listening this, naturally king will get disturbed. By listening this, king was disturbed and he called the guards to bring that madman at once in front of him. King ordered the guards to bring that madman, strange, funny, comic, mystic madman, to bring him at once. In this chapter, this story, three great funny words or strange words have been used, which I have written in this. Number one, comic. Gopal turned himself in a comical way. So comic means to be funny, amusing. He was looking very funny, just like in cartoons which you see. And the second one is madman. He gone mad. People thought that he was crazy. Mystic. What mystic means to you? Mystic means to be mysterious and strange. He was looking very mysterious, suspicious, strange. People were confused. I don't know who is this man, what is going to do, and so on. So, Gopal, outside of the gate, he started singing and dancing. By listening, this king ordered the guards to bring him at once to the palace. Now, the moment when he inside the palace, entered the palace and appeared in front of the king, the courtiers recognized him. They recognized him as Gopal. They recognized him as Gopal. They thought that he is none other than our Gopal. But why he appears in this way in front of before the king, in front of the king? Why he looks like? Why he made this particular turnout? Why he is putting a tonsils? Why he has half-shaven his face? And why he is smeared as on his body? Courtiers wanted to know. So because of this, king was already angry and he just simply asked one question, who are you? And the moment when he come to know this is Gopal, and he was really angry on Gopal, and he simply asked, what is this nonsense you did, Gopal? What is this all about? Why you want to do this? What do you want to do? So reply to this with a smiling and with great intelligence, Gopal said, Your Majesty, have you forgotten your challenge about Hinsa? I am here to clear you that I have won your challenge. I have won the challenge. So he simply explained and said to the king that the way he went to the market, throughout the way, whole way when he was coming, nobody asked about this Hinsa. Nobody talked about this Hinsa. People only looking towards his turnout, towards his half-shaven face. People were talking about only his dresser. People called him comic, madman, mystic. Same thing, small children talking to their mother. Mommy, look at this. Who is this madman going? How he is looking very crazy. And the moment when I inside your palace, when I was entering your palace also, your own guards did not recognize me. So he said that, so in this manner you can see with his intelligence, with his behavior, with his intellectual capabilities, he won the challenge. He not only accepted the challenge but also he won it also. So I hope that you can understand the explanation which I given right now in an easy manner. Fine. After that, so moral of the story is what? We can do anything with our intelligence, with our intellectual capabilities in a very nice manner. I hope that you got the explanation given by me about the chapter Gopal and the Hinsa in easy, and I hope that you understood it better. So keep watching all my videos.